musculocutaneous nerve. It is a branch of lateral cord of brachial plexus. This is musculocutaneous nerve. This is a branch of lateral cord. This is lateral cord of the brachial plexus, arising at the lower border of pectoralis major muscle. Here is the pectoralis major muscle. It is arise from the lower border of the pectoralis major muscle. The root value of musculocutaneous nerve is C5 to C7. It is the main nerve of the front of the arm. This is main nerve, the front of the arm, and enter and continuous below the elbow as the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm. This musculocutaneous nerve enter continuous below the elbow and as a nerve, the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm. In the arm, musculocutaneous nerve leaves the axilla and enter the front of the arm by piercing the coracobrachialis. In axilla, it leaves and enter the front of the arm by piercing the coracobrachialis muscle. This is coracobrachialis muscle. It runs downwardly and laterally between the bicep brachii and the brachialis to reach the lateral side of the biceps tendon. It runs downwardly and laterally between the bicep brachii and coracobrachialis muscle to reach the lateral side of the biceps tendon. This is the biceps tendon. It enters by piercing the deep fascia 2 cm above the band of the forearm as the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm. It ends by piercing the 2 cm above the forearm and lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm. Branches of musculocutaneous nerve. Muscular branches. It supplies the coracobrachialis. This is coracobrachialis muscle. Then brachialis muscle. This is brachialis muscle. Then bicep brachii. This is bicep brachii. This is supplied by the musculocutaneous nerve or muscular branches. Cutaneous nerve. Supply the lateral side of the forearm from the elbow to the wrist. This is the lateral side of the forearm which is supplied by the musculocutaneous nerve from the elbow to the wrist. Articular branches supply elbow joint and humerus. Communicating branches. Communicating branches enters the lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm and communicate with the neighboring nerve such as superior branch of radial nerve, posterior cutaneous nerve of forearm, palmar cutaneous branch of median